What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you a trick which is out of this world. It's even called out of this world. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you. So we have a normal deck of cards. Okay. Now we're going to make piles. Well, we're going to make 4 piles and shuffle them at the same time. We can go 2 at a time, 3 at a time, and even 4 at a time. Okay? First we'll make the 4 piles, and 1, 2, 3, maybe that, just so we can shuffle them. Okay, I think they're shuffled enough. Just square the piles up. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll move them closer to each other so you can see better, because my camera is pretty old. Okay, so you just pick the piles. Let's say you pick this one and this one, or this one and this one. Okay, now we're just gonna give them a good riffle shuffle, so they're pretty mixed up. Grab these two and give them a good little shuffle, and shuffle them all. Okay, so now just do this because they were bent. Now we're gonna make piles. I'll tell you what to stop. 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 Actually, we can just play the rest right here. Okay. Just square the piles up. Maybe shuffle them a bit. Shuffle them all. Shuffle this one too. Okay, now let's count the middle pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20. Now I think there are 10 red cards and 10 black cards in here. So let's go. Flip them over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that may be because I was lucky, but I think all of these cards in here, there are 16 black cards. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oops. But 2 were wrong, but they also are 2 brothers. Okay, see you next time. Well, it wasn't supposed to be like that. I just twisted it up in my own image. Okay, so it looks cooler that way, doesn't it? See you next time.